Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Bitcoin to Metamask wallet. So first step you need to do is to open Metamask wallet. So once you open, here you can see tokens and NFTs. So I want to import Bitcoin. So here you can see don't see your token, click on import tokens and search for Bitcoin here. Okay, here you can see the first one. Here you can see different options. So I'm going to select this one. For example, click on next, click on import, and here you can see that Bitcoin is now imported here like the Ethereum. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.